9 Kentucky. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, doing good. This is Steve down here. I think we checked out your video gig yesterday afternoon, and yeah, everything's going pretty well. Looks like you had quite a few drop in on you.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was a good turnout there. Good to hear you out there, my friend. I just got in here, just turned on the radio, and not a lot of whole conditions out here right now, but you're coming in nicely.
Yeah, you're rolling in here about 58, something like that. That was yesterday, as a matter of fact. And well, I'm in there with you until you had to bail out for that bowl of chili. I'm sure it was pretty good. I hope it was anyway.
Yeah, we got leftover chili tonight there, so I'm looking forward to that. Hey, what are you running for an antenna there? Are you on a flat side Yagi?
Yeah, you know, that day old chili is sometimes better. It seems like flavor just seemed to coagulate right there after about 20 minutes. And it warms up very good. Yeah, I'm on a 3-element beam here.
That's exactly what we're running too. I'm running a 3-element flat side Serio SY3 Yagi there, so working really good flat side to flat side. Yeah, it really pulls in the signals. And yeah, you're right about the leftover chili, man. Seemed better it'll be better the next day. So that's what I'm having for dinner. It's kind of like having leftover pasta.
Oh yeah, that's good too. That's good too. I like most leftovers. You know, I hear that a lot of people eat leftovers. I'm not one of them. That's a shoot. I like it. It seems to me like the flavors, like I said, they just seem to gel a little bit overnight, and I was very good leftover. But you know what? I can't say that for everything. Like French fries, they just get all soggy and chewy unless you air fry them. You can put something like a French fries in an air fryer and bring them right back.
You know it. I know exactly I know exactly what you mean. You know what's really good leftover is turkey. So after your turkey dinner there, you're going to have a lot of leftovers. Turkey sandwiches, maybe some turkey soup.
Yeah, there'll be turkey goulash, turkey, any way that you can come up with a menu for turkey will be used. But you know what, tomorrow I think we're doing ham tomorrow, and I believe we're doing turkey for Christmas.
That's nice. You know what? Often people will do ham up here for Thanksgiving, and it works either way. I'm good either way. It doesn't matter to me. We got a turkey for Christmas. We did a free-range turkey for Thanksgiving here. Our Thanksgiving was at the beginning of October. So we did I guess it was probably about a 15-pound kind of a wild free-range turkey.
Yeah, that'll go a long way right there. That'll be good. That'll be good. All right, Joe, hey, we'll jump back out of here. Just heard you on. Wanted to give you a shout and hey, let you know I enjoyed the video gig with you yesterday and the chat and all that sort of thing. So hey, we'll catch up with you later on 791. This is 339.
All right, 339 down there in Kentucky. Cheers to you and have a great Thanksgiving and enjoy that ham. Gotta love a good ham. And say hi to the better half there for sure. Always good to hear you out there. You're pushing a very nice signal here to the Gulf Islands out here in the North Pacific. Cheers and happy DXing from 791 Gulf Islands.
Yeah, Joey, I might also mention I also have the SY3 from Serio. So just later.
It's working for you, man. Nice beam. Cheers to you, buddy. I hear somebody else in the bluegrass coming back. We're waving at you from the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. 791 here.
791 sounds good in the bluegrass.
You're sounding good up here too, my friend. I was just talking to the 339 down there, and both you guys are coming in real Q5.
A good holiday around the Gulf Islands there. I believe I'll step on back to the side. Those 323 are in the bluegrass. Back to the pitch.
All right, 353. I think it was 353 or 323 bluegrass. Cheers to you and happy Thanksgiving, my friend. Have a great day. 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific on the site.
791 is 3. 791. 791. You got a copy on this 642 bluegrass station. Come on.
Yeah, looks like bluegrass is coming in here. And one sec, 642. That station, that other station I was talking to, was it 323 or 353?
323.
Okay, QSL 323. Gotcha. All right, that other station in the bluegrass, bring her back. 791 waving. you're making a trip up here. I think it was 642 Bluegrass. Yeah, we were definitely sounding good up here off the west coast of Canada, out here on the Gulf Islands. All right, 642 Kentucky, we got you, brother. Hey, have a great Thanksgiving down there, 642 Bluegrass State. Cheers to you, my friend. This channel's a bit of a train wreck, but you're making it through. Like I say, enjoy the holiday. UDX 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific, QSX.
Yes, 167339.
Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. I just got my belly full. Alright, I'm out of here. Bye-bye.
Take care, 642. Cheers to you.
Hey, can you roll a 415 now?